Arr, there be pirates about. If this looks like fun to you, then maybe you should be a pirate too. Come aboard the Pieces of Eight, an interactive, friendly pirate boat waiting for the whole family on Fort Myers Beach. It's a boatload of fun that you and your family and your grandkids won't soon forget. There are thrilling pirate stories, great music with an upbeat pirate beat. The young ones are transformed into pirates through face painting. Secret maps and treasures galore.
Pirates have to work for treasure, and I haven't seen a bit of work done from any of you. So what you're gonna have to do is turn around, pick up those mats and bring them back inside. Now be careful. Take them back inside.
This way.
Go on, up to it.
Come on now.
And repeat after me. I promise
I promise
to obey all the orders of the captain.
to obey all the orders of the captain.
Alright, oath number 2. I promise
I promise.
to take only my fair share of the treasure. Mr. Will.
Oh, I got one.
Yeah, bro.
Fire! You bet, Seth.
What?
You bet.
Huh? Reload the cannon.
Limbo Dance Party.